good with y'all? What's good? We tune in for another video. Y'all see it's very rainy today. So today we're gonna get done. We can get done. I got some parts coming today. Got a shout out to my boy Jeff, 918 Motorsports, for looking out, man. I got the card bracket coming so I can push my cable back further and make it right. I had made a post on Facebook. Looking for one, man, and Jeff just decided to send one out. I'm sorry the camera fogging up again, man. It just got adjusted the temperature. Let me wipe this bad boy off. Let me wipe y'all off. There we go. We'll do a little something, but anyway, I'm gonna make it quick. But like I said, shout out to Jill, 918 Motorsport, man. I put it Instagram on screen, go follow. But today I'm about to crank this thing up, back it up, and take that rim off. Cause I'm gonna take it up to one stop wheels and tires and get it straightened out. So stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking in. Just got up here for one stop, wheels and tires, man. We about to try to get this thing fixed or whatever. So I'm finna get up with my boy CJ. So y'all gonna hit y'all see the number? Go ahead and hit him up. Any wheel, get anything. When I get what y'all like to call my real wheels, this one coming to get them from. I'm actually gonna buy 2 sets from them. I'm gonna get a set for Wife and Monte Carlo, and I'm gonna get a set for Dolo. So when the time comes, say after I get the car painted, repainted or whatever, we're gonna come up here and get the wheel from them. So like I said, y'all hit them up and get anything. I mean any wheel, mount the car, they do all of that. So definitely hit him up. He shipped too, everything. This one in the car right here, got the Impala, he just redid it. Bad boy, nice. And if you saw the old video, we did a ride along. Well, I did a feature on my other channel on the El Camino, and we did ride racing on this channel. So if you ain't saw that, go check it out. He actually redid that El Camino too, so gotta get with him on that and film that and do a new video and all that. He gonna redid the whole car, new engine, transmission, I mean paint, everything, the whole 9. So I'm about to get this in here. We're gonna see what we can do with this. Cause y'all was on that other video. Y'all be seeing the video late when the stuff be happening, man. I be done. It might be 5-6 days old, cause I shoot multiple videos in a day, but I already had tried having the wheel sealed. When I found out, I was like, okay, it probably need resealing. So they tried that. So now we're up here, and CJ should be able to get it right, or whatever. So yeah, I had tried that, man. But like I said, y'all be seeing the video late. They be already shot and everything. So I'm gonna get in here, man. We're gonna see what we can do. I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all see it. El Camino actually already in here. I was just telling y'all about it. Y'all remember last time, like I said, he done redid the car, man. New wheels. Look good too. Car been repainted. Everything. Got that LS power in here now. Clean cut, AC, everything, the whole 9. Ooh, y'all see this G-Wagon? Clean. It's clean right here. Got the forges. You mounted this one up too, then CJ? You mounted this one up too, y'all. One stop wheels and tires. G-Wagon, clean. Clean. Female owner too, she doing her thing, so yeah, this thing nice, y'all. Like I said, y'all hit CJ up, get with him. Forging on everything. Hey, he done talk me. I'm gonna let Kid out the bag, y'all. I told you he'll talk me into do it. I'm gonna get some, man. I'm gonna get 2 set. So y'all just stay tuned. There you go right there, y'all. That's the only spot, ain't it? Get 2 spots. Oh, I ain't see that. So we got 2 spots. I ain't see that other spot, y'all. What's up, man? Tire broke out the rim, y'all ain't gonna see what's going on. So. I see, man, got good equipment, everything. Like I said, it take care of you, professional, all that. Do up to a 30-inch rim, no problem. Zip that tire for that quick.
These two right here with 2 spots.
So got it. There you go. Got that. Got that fixed. Hooked it up. I'm gonna tell y'all, like I said, I had went to a local tire shop because I thought it was simple, which it was. It's simple to see that. I mean, you gotta take somebody that know what they doing, man, and deal with this stuff, whatever. So I came and seen CJ. I sent him the picture, and he already knew off top like what it was, whatever he identified. He saw something that I ain't even see, but got it right. So y'all good to go now. So like I said, hit him up. Y'all saw the number. I'm putting the number on the screen again. Hit him up. He can get any wheels, tires too, all of that. You ship them too?
Yeah.
He ship them. I told him, yeah. He ship them too.
I'll get them to you.
Yeah, he'll ship them. And look, man, do this for me, cause I know a lot of y'all building cars right now. I saw it in the comment, man. Hit CJ up, man. Order your wheels and tires. He's gonna cut you a deal, good deal too, man. Good pricing. Get a ship through CJ, man. Get a set through CJ or whatever. One stop wheels and tires. So.
LS Walk, you need.
LS Walk the whole 9.
It don't take all day to do that.
He just,
I make it happen, man.
His car, the El Camino y'all just saw, LS Swap in 3 days. What, 3 days?
3 days, vintage AC, everything.
Vintage L, yeah, it got vintage L on it. 3 days, man. Y'all saw how clean cut it was. I showed you the engine bay, very clean cut. So call the number, man. Call the number. I mean, A1, you know what I'm saying? A1 work, whatever. Yeah, he do it all. So, like I said, I will be ordering my wheels and tires through one stop for my car and for wifey car. Say I am going Forgiato.
Forgiato world.
I'm going Forgiato. So I'm definitely gonna get ones I want. I ain't gonna be like some people just get them just cause of the name, but I'm gonna get something I like, my wife like, cause y'all know that what I stand on or whatever. Ride what you like. But right now we in budget trim, which is why I got these, and I do like the wheels. Though I wouldn't have bought them if I ain't liking y'all, but when I get the Forge, I might just say these, put them to the side for big meat. If I do want to try it on wheels when I get the when the turbo motor finish. You know we got the turbo big block coming for big meat. So I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute, get that back to the house, then I'll check in with y'all in a few. So stay tuned. Alright, so I just got back. Well, not just got back, but I went ahead and got the wheel back on the car. I had it on that side. So we got the wheel back on. We good to go now. Everything concrete on the wheels now, so we good right there. So yep, man, like I said, shout out to CJ. One Stop Wheels and Tires, man, got me right. Like I said, I had went to a local little tire shop, regular tire shop down here to try to get that, see if they could fix it when I first discovered it, which is the video y'all saw some videos back. Y'all, it was funny y'all putting in comments. I had already did it, tried that, but like I said, they hit it with a sanding wheel and all that, and I ain't record none of it, but they didn't fix it. But y'all see, you got to go somewhere, man. You got to go somewhere, somebody that what they deal with, like CJ deal with big wheels and stuff. I mean, he get regular tires and stuff too, located in Winterville, Georgia. So if you local, you close by, just pull up, But like I said, on the wheels, man, I want y'all to shop with him, man. It's a good dude for real. Do good business. This ain't my first time dealing with him. Do good business or whatever. So I'm gonna get the wheels, like I said. I'm gonna get some for Dolo. We're gonna get some for wifey car. Wifey car actually going back the same color. And this the next project. This the next project. The series I'm gonna do on this, I'm gonna call it 30 days to V8. We're gonna V8 swap it. Y'all know it's V6. crank up and drive right now. It'll crank up and run right now. Drop with a key. So we're gonna, I'm gonna give myself 30 days to get this thing completely swapped over to V8 and everything. I already been collecting parts on the radar. We already got exhaust for it and everything. I got Flowmaster 2.5-inch exhaust already. Y'all know how I get down. Jay's muffler shop right at the house. So I already got the exhaust for it. We got the headers. Of course y'all know that the headers in there brand new. I'm gonna get an intake and then I'm gonna buy another crate engine. 30 days, gonna get a V8 swap, change the motor mounts and all that stuff. Running, driving, boom, boom, on the road. So this next project coming up ASAP. Like 30 days V8. So wifey called next. Cause Dolo pretty much done. I'm still waiting on that call from Jesse, man, so I can get the muffler done. If he get too backed up, I just get my money back and just, you know, try to go somewhere else. Cause you know I'm on a time limit right now. I'm trying to get this thing done, and so cause I don't like to be. I'm already dealing with multiple cars, and John about to come back too, so they're gonna be another one. But like I said, Dolo pretty much ready, man. I'm gonna get the AC stuff hooked on it. Y'all know I got everything for that. So I'm gonna get the AC hooked up, put the brackets on and belt, and then just charge the system up and it'll be ready to go. We'll have AC and all that. The vent, everything blows out the vents, all that stuff work good. So, man, that thing clean, man. That thing is sitting so nice. I'm talking about it's nasty. The only thing I gotta do, I'm gonna take the wheel back out, like I said, the back wheel, and roll the inner fender some more. So yeah. Just a little bit. I mean, it ain't touching, but just a peace of mind for myself. I'm gonna roll it some more. Cause it tight, but yeah, man, that thing clean. That thing is clean. It look good going down the road too. I got a little clip while I was out there in the road, but I ain't put it up. I ain't gonna put it up yet. So, but yep, that's it, man. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I appreciate everybody, man. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.